Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect a GoDaddy domain to Squarespace in 2024. So connecting your GoDaddy domain to Squarespace is a very easy process. You'll basically have to follow some few steps, changing some DNS records, logging of course into your accounts, changing some DNS records, and you should be good to go. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and simply let's get started.
Make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
So first you'll need to go and open a browser. Here for me I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, basically all you need to do, go to this URL section, go to godaddy.com. So godaddy.com as an example, and open a new tab and go to squarespace.com as well and hit the enter button. So once you do so, make sure to log in into your both accounts. For me here, I'll just go and access the dashboard of that and my products of that right away. So the first thing that you'll need to do is check your domain on GoDaddy. So go down here. As you can see on domains, you don't have any domain yet. Make it easier for customers to find your website by attaching a domain. If you don't have one yet and you don't want to even like try to get this on GoDaddy and transfer it or connect it to your Squarespace, you can just get this on Squarespace if you want to. So, but if you don't, just go here and click on find your first domain, enter the domain that you want as example. So maybe as example, I want this one, so .com, then click on search or hit the enter button. As you can see, they'll show you here an exact match, but a bit expensive. You'll pay this amount for the first year, and after that, you'll have to pay that. And you'll not be able to pay just for 1 year. To get that, of course, this is 1 cent you'll have to pay for 3 years term. So not very good. The one that's good because I want to get 1 year is this one. I'll have to pay just $1.5, and it seems good. So I already added to my cart. So I'll just go here and click on looks good. Keep going. For you, make sure to choose the one that suits you. If you want to pay more, it's up to you. So here, free domain privacy for forever. Free, why not? Okay. Protection your domain. If you want to get a full domain protection, you'll have to pay some. As an example, basically $12 domain per domain per year. And if you want to get the ultimate domain protection, you'll get everything in here plus some extra thing like hold your domain name for an extra 90 days if your credit card or your billing method expired. So I don't think it's worth it to pay extra $10 for that, but it's up to you. For me, I'll just get no domain protection. And here, if you scroll down, tell the word your site is coming soon, included the domain for free. Yeah, good. Why not? And if you want some professional email, you can get that for me. I don't want it. So just go here and click on continue to cart. And here, as an example, so let me just wait for the page until it's load. Yeah, as you can see here, if he gets 1 year, it will be this. So if he gets just 2 years, as you can see, the price will go up very, very fast. A lot, as you can see. So it's good for just 1 year. That's what all gets. And you can pay with PayPal or your card, whatever suits you. Once you do so, as an example, so I'll just go back to my products in here. And once you do so, of course, you can click on manage all to have access to your domains. And of course, you'll have to go to the DNS records or DNS settings. For me, I'll not find anything here because I still don't have any domain. For you, you'll have your domain, click on manage, and you'll find the DNS records of it. On Squarespace, as we said, because we would like to connect to that domain. Of course, to connect this, we can connect it to a specific like URL or specific like website like this one. Or if you want to like transfer it or something like that, you can just go here and transfer a domain and make sure to enter that domain here and follow instructions to transfer it. For me, I'll just want to connect it, so I'll just go to this website specifically, and I'll go to this left panel. I'm not very sure. Yeah, I guess you should. And here is an example. If you go to this left panel, you'll find domains and emails. Here you'll find like domains as an example. So click on domains and yeah, use the domain I own and simply enter the domain that you own in here. So example, let's say this is the domain that I own. So omix.com, click in here. And as you can see, so yeah, try again. Maybe this domain is already like used. So let's say as an example, I've just choose here by like google.com. So transfer is already in progress. Okay, Google are transferring their domain, right? So I don't know, was about like omexis or something like that .com. So I just need to show you like how to transfer it. So they'll show you, yeah. So basically, I don't want to transfer it. Of course, I want to connect this anyway. So I'll just go here and click on connect. Let's connect to your GoDaddy thing. So you have two choices. You have this use DNS records, as you can see. Next, we'll provide you with the personal setup experience to connect your domain Squarespace using name service. All you need to go to GoDaddy, sign in details for your domain, etc. So you can click on get started as example, sign into your GoDaddy, sign into it, click on next as example once it's signed in, and you'll have to change the name servers and the DNS management or DNS settings as I said before in here. So DNS managements, go copy those name servers, connect to one Squarespace DNS.com, connect to .squarespace DNS.com, and paste in the name servers on your domain name. As you can see, they even show you a video how to do it. Once you do so, click on save. And yes, I can send to update name servers for the selected domain. And when you're ready, click on finish. Once you click on finish, they will check or verify. As you can see, if it's done. So for me, they'll show me it's in progress. As you can see, it may take 24 hours. So it may take some time. So you'll have to wait until it's connected. If you've done it, you'll come back into it like example tomorrow and you'll find it's connected. If it's not, as you can see, if you go back to it tomorrow, you'll find it's here failed. And yeah, and that's how you basically connect it. Of course, once it's connected, you can always come back here, test it by simply entering the URL as an example here in Google and see if it's pointed to Squarespace instead of GoDaddy. No. And yeah, that's going to be it. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching. Of course, you can even do that with the NSS settings if you want to add a CNAME and a record if you want to. So yeah, that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.